Hello everybody, today we're going to be unboxing the microphone arm stand from InnoGear. So I'm really excited about this, but first I want to start out by showing you what I have been working with and why I decided to upgrade. Alright, this is my newer microphone arm stand, and I actually like this thing. I've been able to attach my Blue Yeti USB microphone with no issues. This is how sturdy this thing is. It's small and portable, and currently I'm actually using it to hold up lighter microphones like this one. And for the price, you just can't beat it. It's about $14 at Amazon, so I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for a starter's arm stand. But I definitely wanted to upgrade, so I ended up buying this one from InnoGear. It comes with some zip ties so that you can attach your cables just fine and get them out of the way. So great thing to include. Comes with the little manual, and it's easy to assemble. Now this thing is actually pretty sturdy, and it comes in two versions, large and medium. I actually got the large one, and it has a really nice weight to it. That's about $60 at Amazon. The medium version is about $48. But either way, this is just a great microphone stand. It's definitely a space saver, and I really like it. You can attach a number of microphones to it. You can attach up to about 4 Blue Yeti microphones, I guess, if you really wanted to, but that's just to give you an idea of how sturdy this thing is. Now the stand itself is made of premium cast metal, which is, like I said, pretty sturdy, sturdier than a lot of these arm stands out there. All the springs are internal. And it's just very adjustable. Again, very easy to assemble. The table clamp base is designed with a side screw that can have the microphone stand firmly attached to the desk. The sponge on the base can protect your table without any scratches when you swivel it. So I like this thing. Now it is made out of plastic. The clamp, but I don't have any issue with it. It actually works a lot better than most, and it's really sturdy. There's a 5/8 inch rod connector. It's a silver extension rod, and you can attach, like I said, a number of microphones to it. It doesn't have to be the Blue Yeti, but it's just really easy to assemble. Now, another thing about this is that after you attach it, it's about 19 inches in length, vertical and across. You can get a maximum vertical height of about 34 inches and a maximum horizontal height of about 38 inches. So great little stand, and I couldn't be happier with this. The flexible mic arm stand, I mean, let's talk a little bit about that. It's easy to adjust. It's a heavy-duty steel material. You can move it up and down. I do have to say though, it is pretty stiff, so I'm assuming over time it might loosen up, and I'm really counting on that. But just out of the box, to me it feels just really stiff, almost like you're gonna yank it off the table. But of course, like I said, this thing is so sturdy that it's almost immovable from the table after you attach it with the clamp. So just be aware of that. And here's a quick shot of just how it compares to my newer arm stand. And you can find this microphone arm stand at Amazon. I'm gonna include the link to that, as well as the newer microphone stands. You can check that out as well. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Click on that notification bell so you don't miss another upload. All right, well, thanks. I really appreciate your support. I hope you like this unboxing. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Love to hear from you. All right, until next time, have a good one.